Hey, I'm back. Sorry I haven't talked to anybody in a while. This is Mike from Mike's Computer Tips. Also, Mike the Computer Guy on my other channel. I've been off of YouTube for a while, but still watching videos. I just haven't posted videos in a while. I stopped at about 500 and something videos, so I do have a lot of computer help videos online on my YouTube if you'd like to watch them. And I miss all you guys, and I want to start coming out with some more videos to help you with your computer. Excuse me. First thing I want to say is if you have a laptop and your battery's not charging, you have a bad battery, you can buy them online probably for $15-20. Just go to eBay or go to Amazon and just punch in the model of your laptop. That goes for your power cord also. And if you want your laptop to run faster or your desktop to run faster, invest in an SSD hard drive. They're about $25 online, and you can get somebody to put your Windows on there. It's a much faster hard drive than your regular hard drive. It's called SSD hard drive. And that's the latest in hard drives. They're a lot faster, they have no moving parts, and they're really good. If you need your computer cleaned over the internet, I still do that service. I'm still taking customers, so for as little as $50, I can clean your computer of any infections or just speed it up for you and make sure that nobody's getting in on your computer and hacking into you or anything like that. Just give me a call at 321-557-0704, and also I will connect via internet with you. You just have to download a free program called TeamViewer. So before you call, download TeamViewer on your computer, and it will come up with a password and an ID. When you call, just give me the password and ID, and I'll connect with you. And payments can be made over PayPal. Not a problem. I can clean your computer over the internet, which is a really nice feature. And I've been doing that for many, many years. It doesn't matter where you live. As long as you have an internet connection, I can clean your computer for you online. And I'm on Upwork also, so I do plenty of that. And it's been very successful. People are very happy about it. How I can do that online without you taking your computer to a shop or paying a lot of money. So that's another service that I do offer. Now, if you're local here in Florida, I could come out to your house and work on your computer, or you can drop it off at my place. I also do that service. Now with the virus, I don't do too many house calls, but I do have people dropping their computers off at my location, and I work on them there. I don't charge anything to check it out. It's free of charge. Then I give you a fair estimate for the work that needs to be done. My prices are better than any of these big box stores. And with my 25 years experience in computer repair, I will fix your computer if it's repairable. So I'm glad to be back on YouTube. Make sure you contact me, leave a text, call me, or send something in the comments. I'm doing computer tune-up right now until May at only $50. So contact me if you want your computer cleaned, or if it's not running right, let me take a look at it online for you. Okay, great to see you. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, make sure you subscribe. This is Mike from Mike's Computer Tips, and I'm Mike the Computer Guy here. And again, subscribe, like, share, comment, and great to see you guys on YouTube. And I'll see you in the next video. See you later.